Hey folks, it's Leo Johnson from MarineMax. Today you join me in front of a 2026 Yamaha boats 255XD. This is Yamaha's flagship in their X Wake Surf series. This is the most popular color by far for this model. You have the black with that nice warm interior color. You've got the kind of gold lettering here on this boat. Water sports tower, RGB lights. This particular boat comes on the galvanized trailer. You see it on here. Follow me around back here. One of the standout features on these Yamaha jet boats is the huge entertaining area back here on the swim platform. Got seat back, rests on all levels, cup holders, you got a transom stereo remote here, nice billet grab handles in the center, and of course a center tow point there for tubes. You got a table mount off to the port side. Another thing I want to point out before we step inside, with this being Yamaha's flagship wake surfer, it's going to have the Yamaha Wake Booster tab system down underneath here. So in combination with your ballast on the boat, you've got tabs on both port and starboard here to really shape that wave to your liking. Climbing inside, we've got a nice center walk-through set up here over the engine hatch. And as you step inside the boat, you've got storage underneath these rear seat backs here on both sides. Another neat feature on this XD is that these seat backs slide forward and aft to customize the layout here. As you step further inside, you'll notice that the boat's got a lot of room for the whole family. Great seating area there. Again, you can customize those seat backs over there. On the higher trim 25-foot models from Yamaha, you've also got this flip-up table right here, as well as some additional storage. Great storage on this boat all throughout. We've got the snap-in C-deck style mat on this boat all throughout as well. Two helm chairs on this, cup holders on both sides. You got a USB charger there for your passenger and some additional storage. Double glove box as well, which is a nice feature to have. Keep your registration and other things dry and out of the way. Really, really nice helm position on this boat. You got a flip-up bolster. You got the Drive X system here with the paddle shifters, side shift, dock hold, and all other kinds of features. Yamaha's Connect screen right there with all of your digital switching, lots of engine data as well. You've got the digital throttle and shift there in the middle, cup holders for your driver as well, and then push button start with this being an E-Series boat. Wireless phone charger and the PTM ski mirror that you see here, really nice upgrade. With this being the 25-foot model, you're going to have this head compartment area here. Does not come standard with the head, but great place to put one. Great storage spot for your bow filler cushion and others that you see in there at the moment. And then of course we're going to have a center ski locker in here. We've got the cover in there at the moment. You've also got access to your center ballast in addition to your rear ballast under your rear seats. Coming up here, you saw the filler cushion that slots in here before. It's a really nice area to hang out. Very deep, comfortable seating here with nice stainless steel grab handles on the sides. Cup holders up here for your forward passengers, as well as my favorite feature on these Yamahas, that is this bow boarding ladder and anchor locker combo. That's been a quick overview of the 2026 Yamaha 255XD, Yamaha's flagship wake surfer and the hottest boat of the year. Come check it out here at MarineMax Lake Norman. We'd be happy to see you. Thanks for watching.